Today I'm going to teach you how to make a single crochet. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have our chain. So if you've watched the previous video about making a chain, I will have showed you how to make one. But just to recap, remember when you have your slip knot or your chain's loop, you're going to yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. So now that I've recapped you on how to do your chain, we're going to start. To start your single crochet, what you're going to do is not single crochet in this chain, but in the next chain. So to tell that, this chain has the yarn, the working yarn coming out of it. You're not going to use this one. You're going to single crochet into this chain. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through this chain right here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So here's the spot we're going to go into right here. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. Pull up a loop, go through both. In this space right here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through both. Go through that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through both loops. Now I'm at this last stitch, so I'm going to go through that loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through both. Now, to work this next single crochet row, what you're going to want to do is chain 1 and turn your work around so you're on the back side. So it looks different from the front. So, see this little V right here? The stitch that the chain comes out of, you're going to go through both those loops, both that V right here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. So this stitch here, you're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Sorry about that little noise. My watch is making a weird noise. I don't know what's causing it. I think it's the straps attached to the watch. I'm going to go through that stitch, pull up a loop, pull through both loops, go through that stitch, make sure that you get both of the little V, pull up a loop. Okay, so once you get to the end of your row here, it may look a little weird, but this thing right here, this little V, is in fact a single crochet. It's from when we skipped that first chain stitch that our loop was coming out of. It gives us that nice little single crochet to work into. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your hook in there, have both your loops of that V stitch on your hook, yarn over, pull a loop up, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. Now if it helps you, you can put stitch markers in the first and last stitch of your rows to help you keep track of the stitches on the edges, if that helps. I don't need stitch markers, but if that works for you, you can go ahead and do that.